the picture that starts with letter I. I is for ice cream. L is for lamp. F is for flower. I believe in you. J is for joker. Tap the picture that starts with letter Q. Q is for quail. V is for van. You can do O is for orange. C is for cat. Z is for zebra. Tap the picture that starts with letter I. I is for ice cream. B is for butterfly. N is for nest. Y is for yak. A is for ant. Tap the picture that starts with letter S. S is for sheep. R is for rabbit. You can do it. O is for owl. Tap the picture that starts with letter U. U is for umbrella. T is for train. C is for cake. O is for owl. P is for pencil. Tap the picture that starts with letter A. A is for apple. E is for elephant. Y is for yak. Tap the picture that starts with letter B. B is for ball. E is for elephant. I believe in you. X is for X-ray. M is for mango. U is for umbrella. S is for sheep. Tap the picture that starts with letter D. D is for dog. C is for cake. B is for Tap the picture that starts with letter Z. Z is for zebra. A is for ant. F is for frog. B is for ball. Tap the picture that starts with letter I. I is for iron. C is for cat. R is for rabbit. I believe in you. B is for ball. E is for elephant. Tap the picture that starts with letter V. V is for violin. R is for rabbit. U is for umbrella. Y is for yak. Tap the picture that starts with letter D. D is for drum. G is for grapes. I believe in you. Q is for quail. A is for apple. H is for helicopter. Tap the picture that starts with letter M. M is for mango. E is for elephant. You can do it. S is for sheep. V is for van. Tap the picture that starts with letter U. U is for umbrella. Q is for quail. K is for kangaroo. Tap the picture that starts with letter Q. Q is for quail. B is for butterfly. Z is for zebra. I believe in you. U is for unicorn. H is for horse. Tap the picture that starts with letter X. X is for X-ray. M is for mango. Q is for quail. A is for ant. R is for rocket. Tap the picture that starts with letter G. G is for grapes. K is for king. apple. V is for violin.